Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a hickey. Immediately apply a cold compress or an ice pack wrapped in a thin cloth to the discolored skin. Hold it there for 10 to 20 minutes, gently. This helps to constrict the blood vessels, which reduces the amount of blood leaking out and minimizes the size and darkness of the mark. Repeat this cooling treatment several times throughout the first 24 hours. After the initial 24-hour period, it is time to encourage blood flow to the area. Gently massage the hickey with your fingertips using light, circular motions. Do this for about 5 to 10 minutes, 2 or 3 times a day. This soft pressure helps to break up the clotted blood and promotes its reabsorption into your body, making the mark fade more quickly over time. Now, let's explore some gentle methods to further reduce the appearance. After the first day or so, apply a warm compress or a warm, damp cloth to the area for 10 to 15 minutes. The warmth helps dilate the blood vessels, which significantly aids in breaking down and dispersing the trapped blood. Repeat this soothing treatment 2 to 3 times daily for the best results. To truly accelerate the fading process, you can try a very gentle technique. Take a soft bristled toothbrush and lightly brush the hickey in circular motions for about 1 to 2 minutes. This action helps to stimulate circulation and encourages the trapped blood to disperse more effectively. Follow this with a soothing application of aloe vera gel to calm the skin and support healing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.